Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change language on Remitly, firstly go ahead and launch open your Remitly application. The home page of Remitly application will appear on the screen. Tap on Manage button at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, click on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your Remitly's account. Tap on Language. Select the language that you would like to change to and tap on it. After you're done choosing your language, tap on Confirm. This is how you can change your language on Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.